So we are going to start case study question number 5, and this question is based on electricity chapter. Shyam made one circuit for his physics project. He used 5 resistance to 3 ampere 3 ohms यहाँ पे, and one ohm resistance, and one 6 ohm resistance, and one 3.6 ohm resistance, and a battery of 4.5 volt. The circuit diagram is given below, and based on this circuit diagram there are few questions. The first question is that total resistance of parallel combination. So the parallel combination are here, ठीक है, और इसमें ये दोनों सीरीज में 1 ohm or 3 ohm, right? So 1 ohm and 3 ohm are in series, so that will become 1 plus 3 4 ohm, and these two are in parallel. So ये कितना हो जाएगा, resultant resistance 1 upon r is equals to 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 1 plus 3, that is 4. Okay, so 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 4. Now we have to take LCM. LCM is 12. So यहाँ पे 2 आ जाएगा और यहाँ पे 3. So 2 plus 3 upon 12, that is 5 upon 12. So the value of R is the reciprocal of this, that is 12 by 5, and this is equals to 2.4 ohms. The correct option is A1, right? And the second question, equivalent resistance of total circuit. So already we got the equivalent resistance of this one, that is 2.4 ohm, and these two are connected with in series with this one, so that means we have to add all three. ठीक है, सीरीज में हम लोग ऐड करते हैं टोटल रेजिस्टेंस. So 3.6 plus the equivalent resistance of this is 2.4 plus 3, right? Whether this is clear? ये जो equivalent resistance R मिला है, R is connected in series with these two resistance. So R plus 3.6 plus 3. Now substitute the value of R, that is 2.4. So these two together will become 6 plus 3, 9 ohm. So the correct option is B1. Okay. Now we'll move toward the third question. Total current in the circuit. Okay. So let the total current in the circuit is I. So, and we got the total resistance R1. We took as R1. So we will use the Ohm's law formula. So I is equals to V upon R1, and V is 4.5, and R we got 9, right? So 1 by 2, 0.5 ampere. So correct option is C, right? Now we'll move toward the fourth question. Current in the 6 ohm resistance is dash. So यहाँ पे कितना करंट फ्लो हो रहा है, यहाँ पे ये दोनों पैरेलल में है, these two are connected in parallel, and these three are connected in series. Series में करंट सेम होता है, पैरेलल में करंट डिवाइड होता है. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to find the voltage across this resistance. Okay, सीरीज में वोल्टेज डिवाइड होता है और करंट सेम रहता है, पैरेलल में वोल्टेज सेम रहता है और करंट डिवाइड होता है. सो इसका जो रेजिस्टेंस था वो R1 था, टोटल रेजिस्टेंस C, एंड this resistance and this resistance are connected in series. So the voltage will divide across this one. 4.5 जो है वो यहाँ पे ब्रेकअप होगा, डिवाइड होगा, but that voltage will be same for these two resistance. Okay, clear? That voltage will be same for these two resistance. Why? Because these two are connected in parallel. Parallel में voltage same रहता है. Whether this is clear to all of you? This one.
Yes, sir.
मैं फिर से बोल रहा हूँ, ये तीनों देखो एक मिनट, मैं फिर से लिख के बता रहा हूँ. ये आई एम एनसर्कल दिस वन एज R1. ये एक रेजिस्टेंस है, मान लो R1. So these three resistance are connected in series, and we know that in series voltage is divided into according to the resistance. So here, suppose we are getting here voltage, some voltage we are getting here. So we will use this formula to find out the how much voltage we are getting here. And now these two resistance are connected in parallel, these two resistors are connected in parallel. And we know that in parallel combination voltage will be the same, only current will divide. Okay, current will divide according to the value of the resistance. So we'll find first V. So V is equals to I into R1, क्योंकि करंट जो है वो ये तीनों रेजिस्टेंस में सेम रहेगा सीरीज में. And I we got 0.5, so 0.5 into 2.4, so we'll get 1.2 volt. So this voltage is will get across 6 ohm resistance also, and V is there 1.2 and resistance is there 6 ohm. Now we can find current also by using Ohm's law, that is I is equals to V by R. So 1.2 upon 6, so how much we are getting? 0.2 ampere. So the correct option is B, right? So now we'll move towards the fifth one, potential across 3.6 ohm resistance. इसके across में कितना voltage है, that we have to find. Okay, so क्योंकि series में connected है, divide होगा. So again we'll use formula V is equals to I into this resistance. Okay, 3.6 and I we got 0.5. So 0.5 into 3.6 will get 1.8 volt. So the correct option is A. Okay, so this is the case study question number 5. Now we'll see the next case study question in the next one. Okay, so thank you very much.